Imagine being able to create product descriptions instantly for any website, whether it's a print-on-demand website like Redbubble, TeePublic, Zazzle, Society6, so much more, or even a marketplace like Etsy, or even your own website hosted on Shopify, WordPress, or any other website on planet Earth. If you can create a product description almost instantly for your product without having to learn anything about convincing copy, how to entice customers, or any of the psychological gameplay, this software can do it all for you. Watch me go ahead and install it and use it live. And I also got a free coupon code for you guys if you guys want to go ahead and check it out. So let's go ahead and get started. Hey guys, welcome to a new video. I'm going to make a different video today where I show you guys a tool that could create product descriptions for all different products that you have. Imagine print-on-demand products, products for your Shopify store, products for a Selfie store. Maybe you have a Gumroad account and you're trying to create product descriptions for that. This is literally a product that can create product descriptions for anything. TeePublic, Redbubble, Etsy, merch by Amazon, you name it, it can do it. So I have tested this on a different computer, so I just want to be clear about that, and I do have an active license. Now, to be clear, this is kind of like the image on the left-hand side of what the tool can do, and I'm actually going to install it on my computer here. Now, if you're familiar, this is the same business brand, whatever you want to call it, produced by Ryan, who he also created the Redbubble product enabler. This is a tool that I've used before, that I've showed you guys me using it, where I just enable all my products on Redbubble within like half of a second. So this is the tool right here. It's called the GPT Product Description Creator. It connects to AI, so it can produce these AI product descriptions. And you can actually see here in the photo the different marketplaces that you can connect it to, or you could literally just type in the product and it will kind of work for you in that kind of way. So I'll show you how it is, and I'll show you how it works. Here's a list of all the different print-on-demand sites that it can work for. You have Redbubble, Teespring, Printful, Zazzle, Society6, Etsy, Spreadshirt, Merch by Amazon, TeePublic, Designed by Humans, Fine Art America, Cafe Press, Printify, also your own website, and many, many more. Here it says Shopify, I believe that's WordPress, you have Wix, you have Etsy, so there's a lot going on here. So I also got you guys a discount code for this software. And before we even show the discount code, let's break down the different products that are available. So you have the single user license, you have the unlimited updates license, right, which is pretty much like the single one, but you get the updates forever. And then you have the reselling license. This is what I thought that was pretty cool from a business standpoint. You can take this software, right, and you can essentially turn it into a business. You can start reselling it to other people for the cost of $429. Not exactly $429, because I do have a discount code for you guys. However, you could still do that. That is a viable business that you could set up. Let me just go ahead and crank my microphone up here so I could hear my own voice, and I know how to toggle the distance from the mic here. But yeah, so $429 for a business that you could literally start by selling this exact software. Interesting. They also here state that they provide free customization. You can change color and branding if you end up, buying the reselling license. It's called the extended license. But anyways, let's go ahead and continue. So all you have to do is add the product to your cart. Okay, once it's added to the cart, you click checkout, and once you add your email, you're going to have the ability to add a coupon. So I'll just go ahead and add my email here. Okay, so now once you have the ability to add the coupon, just type in autopilot, okay, and hit add coupon, and this is the coupon that will give you $20 off within the first 24 hours that this video is published. After the first 24 hours, that $20 coupon is going to become a $10 coupon. So code autopilot is going to give you either $20 or $10 depending on when you decide to use the coupon. So the first 24 hours this video is published, you're going to get that coupon. So you're going to get a benefit of being subscribed to the channel. But anyways, just click continue the purchase and make the purchase. All right. So All right, guys, so the way this looks like now is what you're going to do is you're going to have a zip file. And what you want to do is you want to just click on that zip file, and then you get the folder of the product. You can see here I have the original folder here. You have the folder here. It doesn't matter which one you have. Once you unzip the unzip file, you're going to take this folder and you're going to upload it into your Chrome extension browser. Now, the way this is going to work is you're just going to click on your browser here. Let me just make sure you guys can see this. Yep. You go over here to the right-hand side. You see these three little dots right here? You click on these three little dots. You click extensions, you click manage extensions. It's going to take you to this page. Make sure developer mode is turned on, and then you're going to just open this up, drag and drop the folder, and boom, installed. If you've ever installed any kind of Chrome extension that is a developer mode extension from bots and apps, igbots.org, different sites like that, you'll be able to do the same thing here. It's the same exact process. Now that it's installed, let's head over to one of my websites so I can actually add a product description so we can test this live. All right, guys, so I logged into one of my Redbubble stores here, and this is actually the demo store that I used to show you guys this design that I created. And you can see here the description is completely empty. And I'm going to use this tool to now get the description. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to my extensions. I'm going to click on my access requested. I'm going to pin it. What you want to do is you want to go over here to your extensions as well. You want to make sure it's turned on just so that it's uploaded, and then click on this little puzzle piece icon, scroll down, and look for the specific extension. So here I have the different type of extensions, and then I have the GPT product description generator. That's what it's called, right? So I'm going to pin it, and when you pin it, you're going to see this blue GPT kind of icon. Okay, so this is the software, and I have it installed, as you can see. And now what I have to do is I have to add a API key. All right, so I'm going to show you where to get this API key. All right, so the first thing you need to do is you need to go to GPT. Okay, on Google, you could type in GPT. It's really openai.com. You're familiar with OpenAI, and you're going to go over here and hit log in. Okay, now some of you guys may or may not have an account. What you want to do is you want to create that account, and then here you're going to click on API. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and do that really quick. All right, so now that I went ahead and I logged into the API backend, I'm going to go over here, click on my account, and you're going to get a drop down. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click View API Keys, and then I have all these different API keys. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create these API keys, and if you don't have an API key, you could just literally hit the create button, and you give it a name. All right, so in this case, I'll give this a name. I'll call it my GPT product description app, right? Because that's what I'm using it for. I'm going to hit create secret key. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to solve this puzzle. And it says use the arrows to rotate the animal to face in the right direction. So I'll go ahead and do that. I'll hit submit. All right. Do the same thing here. Hit submit. And do the same thing there and hit submit. All right. And that's done. And I should have my key now. All right. I have my key. I'm going to hit copy. And I'm going to go into the application, and I'm going to paste it here, okay? And by the way, I don't mind showing my key here because I am going to delete it after this video is published because obviously I don't want people using my key. And this key is going to allow you to use the tool and have the generations completed. So here I'm just going to, if I want, I can click blur, and I'm going to hit save API key. And then you see here it says GPT product description generator, API key and preferences saved. All right, so we'll go ahead and hit OK. So we can get out of this now. All right, we can get out of this. We can head back to our Redbubble website. I'm going to open up my application here, and now it's time for me to give it certain information. So I have the title of my product. I'm going to copy the product title, and I'm going to paste it. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit save product title, and it's going to be saved. All right, the next thing I could do is I could look at my website. All right, my website is Redbubble. You guys could see here the website that I'm using is Redbubble. So I'm going to click Redbubble here. And since there's no exact product type for Redbubble, it has many different products, I'm going to click exclude marketplace name. All of this instructions, guys, is found within the description of the product on the website. So if you want to check it out, you can go ahead and do so. And I'm going to leave the enter custom product type empty, but I'm going to hit the save product type button. All right, so hit save. And then here we have the type of tone for the product description. So we have serious, funny, cute, informative, persuasive, entertaining, luxurious, casual, enthusiastic, educational, minimalistic, nostalgic, romantic, adventurous, professional, sensual, empowering, relatable, trustworthy, and sustainable. So when I look at this, guys, honestly, I'm thinking of something that is empowering, because it says here, the title of the product is I stand for the flag and kneel for the cross. So it is kind of empowering. And any additional details, I personally want to add additional details, and I'm stating that this is a Christian focused design, something like that, okay? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here and just hit generate description. And you can see here nothing came up right away, but it has a log going on. And before I could even finish speaking, the product description was created. But once I hit generate, that's when the log starts working. So it took precisely 3 seconds for it to create my description, because you can see here it says 8 p.m. with 33 seconds in. It says analyzing product information and preparing the description. Then it says 8:36, like 36 in terms of seconds, description generated successfully. And there we go. We have our description. So I'm going to copy to clipboard and I'm going to paste it here. Now we can actually spend time to read what this description says. And it says, introducing, I stand for the flag and kneel for the cross, a powerful symbol of unwavering patriotism and profound faith. This meaningful item honors the brave sacrifices of our heroes while expressing the unwavering devotion to our beliefs. With its striking design and emotional resonance, it serves as a reminder of the values we hold dear and empowers us to stand united as a beacon of hope and resilience. Embodying strength, conviction, and deep spirituality, this exceptional product inspires hearts and encourages us to come together, regardless of our gender, to cherish the flag and find solace in our shared faith. So this product right here, no matter what it shows up on, whether it's a phone case, a t-shirt, a mouse pad, whatever it is, this product description is so useful, and it's going to come in handy for every single one of these products. You got to think, if somebody finds this product on Google and they end up at the phone case or the bag or whatever product they're looking for, this is a product that description that could work in all set scenarios. So I'm really happy with the way that product description came out, right? So now I don't have to, skip on that step, and I could do it. And you guys saw literally it took 3 seconds, right? So it only took 3 seconds to create this. And what we're going to do is I'm going to go down, I'm going to click here and click save work, and then it's going to be saved. My product description is going to be saved. I'm going to log into another account now and test this on one of my Selfie stores. If you're familiar with Selfie, I actually showed this publicly and I created the store live. Let me show you kind of what it looks. But you could see here the description is embedded. We could go ahead and click view. And if you guys are familiar with product descriptions, the SEO world and all that kind of stuff, that actually helps from an SEO standpoint. And that's what this tool does, is it can help you add the right keywords, add the right information into your product description, and Google will look for that product description, especially when it's indexing it in Google. And, if let's just assume your product stands up amongst 5,000 others, so let's go ahead, head over to one of my e-com stores, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do there. All right, guys, so here I am on the Selfie store, which is, I showed you guys how to do this live. I showed you how to create some of this stuff on the store. I'm going to go ahead and create a product description for this is honestly, between me and you, I call this an esoteric product, because I usually don't see too many designs like this, and I created this. It's got Zeus, Hercules, Orion, Apollo, and Poseidon in it, okay? So and I called this the Greek God's desk mat. Okay, so this product is a desk mat, and this is interesting because, this is not one of those websites that are listed in the description for what this tool could do, but I'm going to make it happen. So I'm going to just go ahead here, save my key, and I'm going to give this a name. So the name is, let's just go over here and copy this, the Greek God's desk mat, and let me go ahead and do that. The Greek God's desk mat right here, and I'm going to hit save product title. And then after that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here, all right, and I'm going to type in the product type. So in my case, this is a desk mat for gamers, let's say. A desk mat for gamers, okay? And what this is this is going to be, for me, I'm going to have a persuasive one, and I'm going to say desk mat. Well, we already have desk mat for gamers. It's going to be featuring Orion, Hercules, Poseidon, Zeus. We also had Zeus, I believe. And let's go ahead and hit generate description. Now, I'm not giving you too much information here. Okay, so here we have our product description. Says, introducing the all-new Greek gods desk mat, a product that effortlessly blends functionality with mythology-inspired aesthetics. Which it does. It's very aesthetic. It says, revel in the awe-inspiring aura of the ancient Greek deities. Every time you sit down and do work or study, with its vivid illustrations and durable construction, this desk mat will not only protect your desk from scratches and spills, but also transport you to a realm where the gods and the legends reign supreme. Immerse yourself in the power of Zeus, the wisdom of Athena, and the beauty of Aphrodite, awakening a sense of awe and inspiring that will invigorate your daily tasks. Don't transform your workspace, transcend it. With Greek Gods Desk Mat, an extraordinary fusion of art and practicality. So that's awesome. I'll go over here, copy to clipboard, and I'm going to hit paste. All right, so that's a pretty good description. And like I said, I wouldn't be able to do it. But I also noticed something interesting, that what the AI wrote for me here is it talked about like durability of the product, right? Durable construction, vivid illustrations. These are things that we call objection pacifiers. When it comes down to actually selling a product, and this is why this AI is smart, right? Is when it comes to selling a product, right? You have to think of, what are customers going to object about? What are they going to say? I'm not going to buy the products because XYZ reason. If somebody saw this desk mat, they might come up with any potential excuse. They might say, this desk mat, the printing might not come out good, or it's not durable, or whatever the case may be, right? The description knew to tackle that, right? Because it was off of the Redbubble platform, right? If it was off of any of these marketplace type platforms, right? Redbubble, Teespring, all these kind of ones right here. It was off of those platforms, but more importantly, right? It included those objection pacifiers, vivid illustrations, durable construction, all that kind of stuff. So it really did a good job crafting the perfect part to the description that's the explainer part of the product, right? And the copy on it is done very, very well. I could tell you, me personally, I'm dyslexic, so I can't really read or write in a great way, right? I definitely don't have this writing level capability, and it does a great job. So we just go ahead and we could set this product up to literally create product descriptions for anything. So you could do for Redbubble, TeePublic, Teespring, Printful, Zazzle, Society6, Etsy, Spreadshirt, merch by Amazon, designed by humans, Fine Art America, Cafe Press, Printify, your own website, just so many different options. So I think this is pretty cool. And yeah, guys, I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check it out. If you want to go ahead and use it for your store, you can use it for Shopify. You can use it for your own website. You could even use it for something that's not related. So we could actually do a test real quick. So for example, if I want to create a product title, let's just say I'm selling a supplement. So I'm selling let's say MK677, which is actually a SARM supplement, okay? And what I'm going to say here is this is in the additional details, all right? Mention the benefits of MK677. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click exclude from marketplace because it's not including any marketplace. And I'm going to have here custom website as the what is it called? The marketplace, right? Because it's my own website. And enter the custom product type, and I'm going to label it a supplement, okay? So MK677, all right? Just like that. And this is a supplement, right? So let's see what it could do here. So let me go ahead and hit save product title, save product type, and generate the product description, all right? Okay, I hit generate twice. You could see here by mistake, 3 times by mistake. So it says introducing the groundbreaking MK677 SARM supplement, providing cutting-edge solution for individuals striving to achieve their fitness goals. This transformation, notice I didn't mention anything about fitness, but it started mentioning that. This transformational product taps into the power of emotions, fueling a fierce determination for success, unlocking true potential, and witness unprecedented gains as muscle gains with the MK677 SARM supplement, where passions and ambition converge to sculpt the body of your dreams. This is what we call selling type of copy. It's hard to really create stuff like this that tap into the emotions of the seller, and that's definitely what this does. I think over all the different descriptions, what this product description type does is it taps into the emotion of the customer. Anybody could easily write like the benefits and the features of the product, like helps you burn fat, helps you build muscle, helps you look leaner. Like anybody can type that. But what it does is it takes the information and it creates a product description that's more enticing to the customer, right? It kind of tells the customer what they want to hear in a positive light, and it kind of does that for you without having really the art of copy, without really doing that. So I want to just hit generate description again, because it will take the same information, it will create a different version of it. Like, look at this. So it says introducing the formidable MK677 SARM supplement, an extraordinary blend meticulously designed to unlock your true potential. This cutting-edge formula ignites a fire within, fueling the body and mind for unparalleled performance. Experience a surge of energy, enhanced muscle mass, and optimized recovery, all while pushing the limits of what you thought was possible. Elevate your MK677 SARM, elevate your game with the MK677 SARM supplement and unleash the inner champion that resides within you, regardless of gender. So this is actually a really, really good product description. Like I said, it taps into the emotional side of things. It still gives you the benefits of the product, the features of the product, and it's smart, right? Because if I was to click Redbubble like you guys saw here, and talk about like the shirt that I just created with the Redbubble product, which was this one, right? It didn't say anything about the quality of a certain product, like buy our Redbubble t-shirt. It doesn't do that because it's smart with how it sets things up. So, because it knows Redbubble sells all these different products, so it wouldn't be smart to just mention a t-shirt in the description. It doesn't make sense. So I think that's really, really cool, and I think overall this is very, very useful and saves a ton of time, and more importantly, it's skill that I don't have to necessarily develop, and it could do it for me. So this is something I'm going to use for a very long time. Honestly, I would probably want to join the resellers program, but to be honest, I'm not going to sell it to you guys because, I mean, he's already selling it, so there's no point of that. I'm just an affiliate. But if you want to start a business off of this, I could just definitely tell that you can make money selling this exact software tool to other people. If you guys need, I could potentially talk about how to sell a product like this and to kind of describe it, but, it's up to you guys. I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you guys for watching, and see you soon, all right? Peace out, bye.